All right, guys, we're back here on the LS swap or 5.3 swap in this 98 Chevy K2500. We were going to show you real quick. We got the motor in another video, but here we're going to start putting on the water pump, which is a Camaro water pump. It's like a 97, 2004, something like that. Water pump there. We have the spacers here from Dirty Dingo, all the accessories. Like I said, we went over that in another video. We'll just I'll show you a few tricks here. On an older motor like this that we have redone, remember, it's always a good idea to clean out the holes. This one had a lot of gunk in it, a lot of dirt. We used just a tap and die set, so this little dude right here, what was that? It's a M8 by I think it's 1 1/4 pitch. But anyways, you can always, obviously look at the bolts, what come out of it, but that's what came out of this one. But yeah, so pretty much what you do is we blow the hole out with air and get this. Till it gets pretty tight. You don't want to, obviously don't snap it off. I've seen people do it. Get it tight, back it out. Like I said, there's a lot of gunk in here, so you want a clean hole for your new bolts so they'll seat all the way in properly. That way you don't get leaks. You can already see all the gunk coming off of it. Look at all that. It's a lot of gunk. Anyway, so I just do those on all 3 of those holes. And I'll come back with you and put the spacers on, the gaskets, and water pump, and we'll continue to go. All right, guys, we're back here after we got the Camaro style water pump on and everything. Got the thermostat in, heater hoses, 3/4 and 5/8, new heater hoses and everything. The little powder coating on the battery tray. It's always fun. Anyways, now we're installing the 508 Sanden AC compressor bracket from Dirty Dingo. That's the rear plate here. I'll show you. You'll start off with those 2 brackets, right? Or the 2 spacers, sorry, with the longer countersunk bolts. I believe they're, I think, 7/32, I believe, for the Allen head size. Anyways, those are about a little over 1 inch for the spacers, but they're labeled A. There'll be 3 of them, so you'll have 1, 2, and then you'll have another one up here on that back side. And then you'll have this front plate here, and it'll mount up so like this. And it's trying to hold the camera and do it at the same time, but we're gonna try to kind of walk you through step by step here on the AC bracket side and get that AC compressor mounted and kind of show you a few tricks.